My name is William S. Harris. I go by Bill, and I have been practicing law here in Tarrant County for 40 years. A gun owner should expect to be arrested even though he used his weapon in self-defense. If he doesn't, great. If he doesn't get arrested, it doesn't mean he's out of the woods. It doesn't mean everything is resolved. If he doesn't get arrested, the first thing he needs to do the next day or that day, depending on the time of the event, is contact a good criminal lawyer. Get somebody that's advising him and telling him what to do and what not to do. Because this first period is very critical. That's why I've been saying the things I've said about what you do when the police get there and what you say to them. You are basically setting the stage for what will come. And so you want to only do things that are not inconsistent with the defense that you rightfully want to claim later. So the police are going to look at it from the standpoint of what do we have here? And they're not going to know all the answers, and they know they don't know all the answers. A good cop comes to the scene knowing that he cannot necessarily believe what anybody tells him. He can look at the situation and look at what the physical evidence may tell him, and he will probably believe that over and above what anybody else tells him. Doesn't mean he doesn't believe it. And like I said, there may be circumstances in which that police officer will look and say, everything here points to the gun owner being where he was entitled to be, where he had a right to be, minding his own business, and he defended himself. In that circumstance, that he may make a discretionary decision not to arrest. On the other hand, he may say, everything here looks pretty much like Mr. Gun Owner has done the right thing and has acted appropriately, but I don't know that for sure, and I'm going to be safe. And what safe means in that instance is he's going to do what his job requires and the department policies require, and he's probably going to take the gun owner into custody. Now, the gun owner may then be subsequently released on a personal bond. He may be, although those are kind of rare, the gun owner may have a bond set that is relatively low. A lot of different things can be happening down the road from this, and certainly you should be prepared then to have somebody make arrangements to secure your release from jail, and that's a complicated issue. But I would start from the position of, yes, this has happened. This is extremely serious. I'm probably going to go to jail. And if you don't, that's all the better. Then get hold of counsel as soon as you can.